super bright. Eat your breakfast, yum yum yum. Eggs and toast and fruit, so fun. Pack your bag, don't miss a thing. Lunchbox books, let's hear that ring. Back to school, hooray, hooray. We learn and laugh and jump and play. Pencils ready, shoes tied tight. Let's make today super bright. Ride the bus or walk with friends. So much fun that never ends. In the class we read and write.